Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word threshold. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The manager set a high threshold for employee performance in order to maintain productivity standards. Threshold refers to the minimum level required for something to happen or begin. It can also be a point of entry or starting point for a new experience or situation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.